this is Lynn from Lynn Pernille Photography, and this is my home studio in Jersey City, New Jersey. When I first started hunting for condos right out of college, I knew that I wanted a place that I could both live in, but also have my photography studio and home office in. When I found this place, which was ironically the first place I even looked at, I loved the open concept floor plan. I knew that I could use this combined living dining area to meet with clients, and I could use this area as my studio space. Whenever I have a headshot or a baby portrait or a newborn shoot, I just clear away a little bit of the furniture, pull down these seamless backdrops, and set up my lighting equipment, and I'm good to go. And when I'm all done, I just roll the seamlesses back up, and I can hang my equipment back up on these hooks. I love these hooks from IKEA. What's nice is that they fold up so they're flush against the wall, so when I roll the seamless down, they don't get in the way. And it's just a nice way to be able to use your wall for both seamless backdrops and also storage of your equipment. These shelves are where I store the majority of my equipment, basically anything that doesn't go in my camera bag. So things like lighting, chargers, audio equipment, props for studio shoots, extra lenses, and stuff like that. And this little nook is my charging station, so this is where I charge all of my camera batteries and flash batteries after every wedding and event. When clients come over, whether it's for a consultation or to put together an album or for a shoot, they walk right from the front entrance, they see a little bit of my office, and then we sit here in the living room and they can still look around, see all of the books I have on my bookshelf, and they also can see my photography equipment. So it's really nice that they get a sense of how I live, how I work, my equipment, and my style just by being in this space. I've actually had a couple clients tell me that they totally think my photography style matches the style of how I live, so that's really interesting. I also have this office space here where I have all of my art supplies, my cutting mat, ribbons, things for packaging. And then I have another workspace with my ultra-wide monitor, and this is also where I keep all my paperwork and all kinds of materials. And then I also have another desk in my bedroom where I can work on my laptop. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please click subscribe.